Hello guys, welcome back to another video of the day. Today I'm going to show you this platform that I have been using for the past months. Is a savvy platform where you can make an extra cash, and recently they have updated it. I mean it's crazy, they've updated it like recently. As you can see on the screen here, I mean they have partners here, so you can earn up to $5 per survey, and both their surveys, I mean on all these partners, because I have tried them all in the past months. That I haven't been using it recently because I've been busy with some stuff, but then I have withdrawn money from this platform more than once, and I've seen value on it. As I always say, whatever that I recommend here is because I've used it before. So this is one of the, I mean, the best high paying survey you can ever, have. Like for instance, right now I'm seeing this, these are available surveys, already. This already, I mean, for 18 minutes, when if I answer this survey now, it means I'm gonna get more than $1, because 1,000 points equals to $1. So guys, check the site. I'm gonna drop a link on the description just so you can get sorted and can sign up as quick as possible whenever you have free time. I mean, why not make free money if you can have free time? This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. You can end up making $50. Is possible, yes, you can, because on the site alone already you can make, I mean, $5, $10 a day. If you can take one survey that pays up to, I mean, $5, like on this one here, or on this one that pays up to $3, or on this one here that pays up to $1. So there you see they have a lot of partners. It means like you can never run out of surveys. I believe it depends on how much time you put in. So the more time you put in on this, the more money you're gonna get. So let me show you another way of getting paid here is by watching videos. Is by watching. You can always watch videos and get paid via points. So how they work, they pay via points, and you can always convert these points onto cash. So yeah, also other partners here. So there is a lot to do. They also have offers here. This one's here I've never used, but then they say after you register, deposit in wage or $1. Okay, this one I've never used. I've only answered surveys on this side and they paid. Let me show you my activity. I know it's been a while, but you'll be able to see that I have been active here. Let me refresh just to show you that this is my account, and this is real, was not screenshot. As you can see that okay, so this 5 points, it means that on that certain survey I did not meet the requirements. This one, it shows that they paid me 1,000 points, and it says here on the 8th. So you can see that I'm not that active here. I'm not that active, but then I've been using this from February, yeah, and then you see February, March, and then I took some break. You see, from the 6th on the 7th month I've been using it. But then yes, it's a very good platform. They also send you messages to tell you whenever there's a new survey or a high paying survey. I can also take you check out the rewards here and how they pay. So a good thing about it is that they pay in PayPal, and the minimum payout is $5, unlike other survey sites where minimum you find that it's $25 and it's gonna take you 2 months, until you reach that. So the good thing about this, and with this size, I mean, you can get paid like within a day or two. So imagine if you answer that survey that pays up to $5, and then you reach that, 5,000 points, you can cash out same day and get paid. You can also get paid via Steam, for those who like games, and also via Visa, so these are the rewards, guys. And then let me see if I can, show you my earnings, probably and once or twice. Let me see if I can access that, because I see that, oh, here it is. This one says disapproved. Okay, this one was the first one, but then as you can see here, okay, so like I said, they made some changes. So initially the minimum threshold, it was $30, which equals to 30,000 points. So right now they do it to 5,000. So as you can see here, guys, they paid me, let's see, 1 2 3 4, they paid me 4 times. So in a month, you see, I'll make like twice. You see, I'll withdraw twice, and another year, okay, this one I withdrew once, but then I haven't been that active. So if I was like always here, I would have made a lot. But then this proves that this site, it pays, and it all depends on how much you spend on this platform to make money. All right, guys, click on the link below to access this platform here and start making some extra cash. And if you like this video, let me know, because I'll be releasing more of this, videos on how to make money online. I'm gonna be releasing more videos about, how to, effectively market your offers, and other ways, and motivating stuff that's gonna motivate you guys, to make money, and let you know that, what, no matter where you are, no matter what you do, there's always a way to make money, especially online. Alright, cool, guys. If you haven't subscribed on our YouTube channel, I would like to advise you to subscribe, so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we release a new video, because we try as much as possible to release a new video every week. Otherwise, guys, love you all. Let us keep making that money, because there's a lot of it online. Cheers. I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.